Welcome to Mode Concept. In this video, I will teach you how to start a new project on Proteus platform. In case you don't know, Proteus is a simulation software that helps us to simulate our electrical or electronic design on our PC before we proceed to doing the practical proper. When we run the simulation, we'll be able to find out if our circuit or our design will likely work or not. If it works on the system, that means it will equally work when we do the construction. But if it doesn't work on the system, uh, there will not be any need to carry out the practical because it will never work. So without much delays, let's go to the main thing we have come for. I'll locate Proteus. I have it on my taskbar. Click on it. It opens. I can start new project, either going through the schematic capture, which will give me direct access to the workspace, after which I can now save my work, or I go through file, new project, that's Ctrl N, or new project icon here on the home page, or the new project tab, which is equally on the home page. So going through this new project tab or icon or file will help us to save our work from the beginning. And in case our project involves any firmware, it will equally be possible for us to attach it. So if we go through schematic capture directly, we cannot attach any firmware. So but now let's just go through new project, so that if there's any firmware we need to attach, we can equally attach it. Click on it to open it. So on the new project wizard, I will just put the name of my project. I'll call it my project. My project. Now I will choose the location where I want to have my work saved. I'll just go to browse. I'll choose desktop preferably. On the desktop, I'll go to new folder. Give it a name. My work. It's always good to choose a new folder to put your work, so that your work will not be scattered all over the desktop. Now, having done that, I'll go to next. Next. I don't need any PCB. I'll go to next. Then now, if I don't want to do any coding, no firmware, I'll just go to next. But if I have code to write, I'll go to create firmware project. Now choose the family of my microcontroller. If I'm using PIC, for instance, I'll go to PIC 16. Then the controller, the name of my microcontroller, I'll choose it from this pool, assuming it's PIC 16722A. That is it. I will now choose my compiler from here. If it's a high-tech C or whichever one it is, I'll choose it from here. Then if it's not here, I'll go to compilers and choose it from this place, wherever it is. I will now say okay. Now go to next and finish. So but I will not click finish because I don't want to involve coding in my work now. I'll just go to no firmware project and now say next, finish. So this is my workspace now. So in this workspace, I want us to do a simple work that will involve a battery, switch, and a light. That's the LED in this case. So I'll go to P here to pick my components. Battery. That's battery here. I will pick multi-cell or single cell. So I'm just single cell. Click on it. I will pick my switch. It's a button switch. So that's it. So click on it. I'll pick my LED. There are many LEDs here. I'll just include dash red. So red is here. I'll click on it and now say okay. So seeing this pen my cursor is showing as pen here, it means I'm carrying something. If I want to see what I'm carrying, I'll just click once on the screen. See, I'm carrying LED. That's the last thing I picked. If I don't want to drop it, I will right click, it will disappear. I will now zoom my screen so that I can see my work well. So now let me drop the thing I'm carrying. Drop it. So I'll pick my battery. I'll pick my switch. It's my switch. So let me now do my connection proper. When I bring my cursor at the tip of my component, see it will be glowing. When it glows, I'll click and move. When it glows, I'll click again. That's my connection done. So I'll go to this side again. Same thing, glowing. I'll click, move it. When it glows, click, connected. So I'll do the same thing on this side. I'll click again here. So I'm going to join. I'll go to terminal mode, pick my ground. If I want to use 5-volt power supply, I'll pick power from here. So I'll pick ground, click, drop it, connect it. So now I can shift this power. This is my switch to the direction, to drag object. See, that's good. Then I can now do my simulation. I'll just click on this to remove the pen I'm carrying. So I can now just go straight to run simulation, or go to the bug, run simulation. It's running now. So when I press this switch, it will just make and open, make and break. Let's open and close, open, close, open, close. So but the light is not coming up because the battery is too small for it. So LED can only come up when the battery voltage comes up to 3 point something and above, as the case may be. So I will just increase my battery voltage by double clicking on this 1.5 volts. Okay, sorry, I have to stop simulation first, if not it will not work. So I'll have to click now, make it 3 volts. Now run simulation again. When I press on the button switch, see the light blinks. So when I want to have the lights on permanently, I'll just press on the side. See, it's on now. So if I press again, it's open. It's on now. So with this, we have done a simple circuit that involves a battery, a switch, and light on Proteus platform. So do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be seeing the upcoming videos as they are dropping. Thank you very much. Bye.